Hi, hello, and welcome to Book Boss. It's a busy day on Dog's downtown bus. Ride along with adorable animal passengers as Dog drops everyone off at their silly stops. Dog on His Bus by Eric Seltzer, illustrated by Sebastian Braun. I am Dog. I drive a bus. I pick up Frog. Come ride with us. I drive in rain. I drive in snow. I drive in fog, off we go. I make a right by the lake. I pick up hen, I pick up snake. I make a left by the tree. I pick up bug, I pick up bee. Hen and snake need a hat. I drop them off at hats by cat. Bug and bee want a book. I drop them off so they can look. We pass a cab, we pass a truck. Inside the truck is my friend Duck. Polish dog waves hello to me. I see him every day at 3. At my next stop there is a line. A line of 9 will fit just fine. Hungry Bear wants his lunch. I drop him off at Crunch a Bunch. Grandpa Frog needs a cane. He gets off at First and Main. Oh no, what now? My tires blow. I pump them up so we can go. Each day at 5, see what I do? I park my bus, I wash it too. I love my job. It is good fun. I love my bus and everyone. Children, hope you all enjoyed riding with a dog driver. Tata, bye bye until we read our next book.